Our manufacturer in China can produce various off-die cut car stickers products, including can engrave car stickers, color car stickers, reflective car stickers, metal car stickers, magnetic car stickers, removable optional car stickers, and transparent PVC car stickers. The surface of this UV resistance car stickers from our factory and supplier is covered with a protective film, which is not afraid of wind and rain, and can exposure to the sun and rain. The fade-resistant car stickers are foldable, and bending has no effect.